We design, build, install our own dust collection systems as well as maintain other dust collection systems and ductwork and HVAC systems all around the country. It really sets us apart from any other contractor in the country because there's a lot of contractors that deal with just the engineering piece and rely on another company to install it. There are some contractors that can just do the installation but not the engineering. Because of that, we have a lot more experience than the average contractor when it comes to installation.
We have a rigorous safety program within our own industry, as well as we are up to date and follow protocols for each individual industry. Many of our staff in the field are trained on cranes, rigging, a multitude of lifts, forklifts, material moving equipment.
Due to the experience and the vast amount of collection systems we work with all around the country, pretty much everybody knows how to do all of these various aspects of the project. So that enables us to get by with fewer people.
I think one of the reasons we can do that is we just have guys that have been around for a lot of years and know what they're doing, and we can get the jobs done safely, efficiently, and ultimately it's going to result in a more cost-effective job for you.